Hey guys, El Calvo here. So we're doing the rear brake pads on this BMW 330i. Stay tuned. Okay, we in here. So we're gonna remove 14 and 14 right here. Oh yeah, I also want to remove the sensor. I'm gonna put a new one in it, so I'm just gonna pry it out. Pry that sensor out. Always replace that sensor. There we go. Caliper's off. Alright, now we're gonna remove that brake pad. Hard work. Make sure it goes in all the way. Trust me, it's gonna make noise if we don't put it all the way. Be rubbing on the road. Go the other one. Go. Tap it on the edges. There you go. Okay. Alright, time for the pads. These are labeled outer. Goes right here. Bunker. Okay. So now we need an inner. But you can tell the difference. The inner one is a little bigger, and it has the spot where the sensor is gonna go. And always buy the pack that comes with the sensor. Buy the platinum. Take the back pins out. It's usually because of that little rubber boot. What's that? There we go. Now this is where, if you don't got the scan tool, I'm gonna do it so y'all can know how to do it. I'm gonna explain it before I do it. So we're gonna disconnect the electric motor, and then we're gonna retract it, and then we're gonna compress the piston. Check it out. Okay, here I got the Allen key. Trying to get this thing out of the way. Sorry if I'm blocking. I'm trying sprocket. So remove these 2 bolts. Once you remove the 2 bolts, the motor's gonna pop off. You're gonna leave it to the side. Okay guys, so this same Allen key fits in there. So you're just gonna go in there and turn it. See if you guys can see. It's gonna give you a better angle. There you go. So you're gonna turn it. You're gonna feel it when it bottoms out. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, there it is, bottomed out. Right, we stop there. Now we get your regular compressor. And then you're just gonna retract it how you do your regular brake pads. Swap, swap. There you go. See it? There we go. Everything's in there. It'll bottom out the same way. Alright. And now we're gonna go back to putting all this back together. Okay, now we're gonna tighten these back down. The motor's back on there. Yep, motor's back on there. Go. Motor's back on there. We're gonna replace the sensor, but before we do that, we're gonna remove it, trace it back to here. So here it is. So we're just gonna pull it out of this box. Pull it out. Pull the old one out. Very good, good deal. Come on. There we go. Okay, old one out. Now I'll put the new one in. New one in. Make sure it clicks. It clicks. You're gonna see it click in the tab. You use closest. Protect it. There we go. Okay. Route it again. Alright, so we're gonna put the sensor right back. It's hard to tell, sorry guys. But we're gonna put it right back in that slot. Let's push it in there. There we go. Now we're just gonna put the bolts back in here. Okay guys, we are all done. New brake pads, new sensor, everything greased up. If you guys have any questions, if you guys need in this service, hit me up, Quick Start Brakes and Lube. Or if you have questions and you want to do yourself, contact me.